alright. Hush.
Good morning, everybody. So today we are in the Civic SI. I got the MAPerformance exhaust right there. I do not trust myself with this stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and let the professionals take care of it, because why not? And we should be there in a little bit. Catch you guys there.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of me.
She is still getting done. I'm gonna go hang out and wait for that to get all done.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
This is it, guys. MAPerformance exhaust. Damn, that's gorgeous. All right, guys, we have the MAPerformance exhaust. Let's see how she sounds. Backing out of the place here. So smooth. And you can feel the weight a little lightened up as well. It's the first ever full exhaust system I've ever put on a car. It's always a muffler delete for me. So let's see how she rides. Woo! Oh, those burbles, man. Holy crap. Oh, you can hear everything so much more. This is amazing. What a night and day difference. So this is the 2019 Honda Civic SI. Right now I just have stock, oh God.
What is it?
So we got the F1R wheels. They got the 245s on them, and they're sort of tiny bit stretched. We got the tints all around, and my motto, dreams plus work equals success. I never dreamed about success, I worked for it. And this is the MAP or MAPerformance exhaust. And my God, is it gorgeous. That was beautiful.
I did that.
You did that?
I did it. Can I drive now?
Nope. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video showing off the new MAPerformance exhaust I got for my car. And if you guys have any more tips or stuff you want to know that I'm doing to my car or have done already, just shoot me a comment and I'll make sure to respond to you guys all. Take care. See you in the next video.
I'm like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket.